Hey guys, welcome back to LogiTech. I'm your host Mike, and in this video I'm gonna unbox LogiTech G102 gaming mouse. So let's see the box contents. Okay guys, so this is the package which I received from Amazon. It was inside this package. Now we are going to unbox this bubble wrap. As I like doing this. It is very satisfying. So this is the mouse from LogiTech. The model is G102 gaming mouse. So let's open it. This is the mouse, what we get inside the box, some manual which we don't require, keep it aside, and we don't get anything inside the box, so let's throw it out. So this is the mouse which we got from LogiTech. Let's show it to you. Okay guys, so this was my old mouse which I got from Dell. Actually, this whole setup is from Dell, which I bought around 4 to 5 years back. Can you see that light? That's my new mouse. That's why I bought that. And these are the LED lights. And this is a G symbol of Logitech. The mouse looks very cool. And these LED lights keeps on changing. It's a gaming mouse. You get a gaming mouse. You get a documentation. You just need a USB port and a Windows 7 or later, or Mac OS 10 or later, or Chrome OS operating system installed on your system to use this mouse. So I guess that's all for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed watching this video, then please give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel Way to Tech, then please go and click that red subscribe button down there. On the right hand side of that button you can see a bell icon. Just click that bell icon to get regular updates from Way to Tech. Till then, happy watching. Jai Hind.